हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज हम पढ़ेंगे द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस ऑफ इंडिया। इसमें मैं टोटल आर्टिकल्स को शॉर्ट रिवीजन के पर्पस से पढ़ेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आर्टिकल 1 से। पार्ट 1, द यूनियन एंड इट्स टेरिटरीज। आर्टिकल 1, नेम एंड द टेरिटरी ऑफ द यूनियन। आर्टिकल 2, एडमिशन और एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ न्यू स्टेट। आर्टिकल 2A omitted. आर्टिकल 3, formation of new state and alteration of area, boundaries or names of existing state. Article 4, laws made under Article 2 and 3 to provide for the amendment of the first and fourth schedule of supplemental, incidental and consequential matters. Part 2, citizenship. Article 5, citizenship at the commencement of the constitutions. Article 6, right of citizenship of certain persons who have migrated to India from Pakistan. Article 7, right of citizenship of certain migrant to Pakistan. Article 8, right to citizenship of certain person of Indian origin residing outside of India. Article 9, person voluntarily acquiring citizenship of foreign state not to be citizen. Article 10, continuance of the right of citizenship. Article 11, Parliament to regulate the right of citizenship by law. Part 3rd, fundamental right. 12, definition. 13, laws inconsistent with or an derogation of the fundamental right. Right to equality. 14, equality before law. 15, prohibition of discrimination on ground of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. 16, equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. 17, abolition of untouchability. 18, abolition of title right to freedom. 19, protection of certain right regarding freedom of speech etc. 20, protection in respect of conviction for offences. Article 21, protection of life and personal liberty. Article 21A, right to education. Article 22, protection against arrest and detention in certain cases. Right against exploitation. Article 23, prohibition of traffic in human being and forced labor. Article 24, prohibition of employment of children in factories etc. Right to freedom of religion. Article 25, freedom of conscience and free profession, practice and propagation of religion. Article 26, freedom to manage religious affairs. Article 27, freedom as to payment of taxes for promotion of any particular region. Article 28, freedom to attendance at a religious instruction or religious worship in certain educational institution, cultural and educational right. Article 29, protection of interest of minorities. Article 30, right of minorities to establish and administer educational institution. 31 omitted. Article 31A, saving of certain laws. Article 31A, saving of laws providing of existence of state. Article 31B, validation of certain act and regulation. 31C, saving laws giving effect to certain directive principle. 31D omitted. Right to constitutional bodies. Right to constitutional remedies. Article 32, remedies for enforcement of right conferred by this part. Article 32A omitted. 33, power of Parliament to modify the right conferred by this part in their application to force etc. Article 34, restriction on right conferred by this part while marital law in force in any area. Article 35, legislation to give effect to the provision of this part. Article Part, Part 4 Directive Principle of State Policy. 36 Definition. 37 Application for the principle contained on this part. Article 38 State to secure a social order for the promotion of welfare of the people. Article 39 Certain principle of policy to be followed by the state. Article 39A Equal justice and free legal aid. Article 40 Organization of village panchayat. Article 41 Right to work, to education and to public assistance in certain cases. Article 42 Provision for just and human condition of work and maternity relief. Article 43 Living wage etc for workers. Article 43A Participation of workers in management of industry. Article 43B Promotion of cooperative society. Article 44 Uniform Civil Code for the citizen. Article 45 Provision for early childhood care, the education to children below the age of 6 years. Article 46 Promotion of educational and economic interest scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and other weaker sections. Article 47 Duty of the state to raise the level of nutrition and standard of living and to improve public health. Article 48 Organization of Agriculture and Animal Husbandry. Article 48A Protection and improvement of environment and safeguarding of forest and wildlife. 49 Protection of monument and place and object of national importance. Article 50 Separation of judiciary from executive. Article 51 Promotion of international peace and security. Article 44A Fundamental duties. Article 51A Fundamental duties. Part 5 The Union. Chapter 1 The Executive. Article 52 The President of India. Article 53 Executive power of the Union. Article 54 Election of President. Article 55 Manner of election of President. Article 56 Term of office of President. Article 58 Qualification for election as President. Article 59 Condition of President office. Article 60 Oath or affirmation by the President. Article 61 Procedure for impeachment of the President. Article 62 Time to holding election to fill vacancy in the office of President and the term office of person elected to fill casual vacancy. Article 63 The Vice President of India. Article 64 The Vice President to be ex officio Chairman of the Council of State. Article 65 The Vice President to act as President or to discharge his function during casual vacancy in the office or during the absence of President. Article 66 Election of Vice President. Article 67 Term of office of Vice President. Article 68 Time of holding election to fill vacancy in the office of Vice President and the term office of person elected to fill casual vacancy. Oath or affirmation by the President. Article 70 Discharge of President function in other contingency. Article 71 Matter relating to or connected with the election of a Vice President and President. Article 72 Power of President to grant pardon etc. and suspend, remit, commute sentence in certain cases. Article 73 Extent of executive power of the Union. Council of Minister. Article 74 Council of Minister to aid the Vice President. Article 75 Other provision as to Minister, the Attorney General of India. Article 76 Attorney General of India. Conduct of government business. Article 77 Conduct of business of the Government of India. Article 78 Duties of Prime Minister as respect to furnishing of information to the President etc. Chapter 2 Parliament. Article 79 Constitution of Parliament. Article 80 Composition of the Council of State. Article 81 Composition of the House of the People. Article 82 Readjustment after each census. Article 83 Duration of House of Parliament. Article 84 Qualification for membership of Parliament. Session. Article 85 Sessions of Parliament, Propagation and Dissolution. Article 86 Right of President, Address and Message to House. Article 87 Special Address by the President. Article 88 Right of Minister and Attorney General as respect Houses. Officer of Parliament. Article 89 The Chairman and Deputy Chairman of the Council of State. Article 90 Vacation and Resignation of the removal from the office of Deputy Chairman. Article 91 Power of the Deputy Chairman or other person to perform the duties of the office of or to act as chairman. Article 92 The chairman or the deputy chairman not to preside while resolution for this removal from office in under consideration. Article 93 The speaker and deputy speaker of the House of the People. Article 94 Vacation and resignation of and removal from the office of speaker and deputy speaker. Article 95 Power of the deputy speaker or other person to perform the duties of the office of or act as speaker. Article 96 The speaker or the deputy speaker not to preside while a resolution for his removal from office is under consideration. Article 97 Salaries and allowance of the chairman and deputy chairman in the speaker and deputy speaker. Article 98 Secretariat of Parliament Conduct of business. Article 99 Oath and affirmation of by members. Article 100 Voting in House. Power of House to act notwithstanding vacancy and quorum. Disqualification of members. Article 101 Vacation of seat. Article 102 Disqualification of membership. Article 103 Decancels of question to disqualification of member. Article 104 Penalty for sitting and voting before making oath affirmation under Article 99 or when not qualified or when disqualified. Power, privilege and immunities of Parliament and its member. Article 105 Power, privilege etc. of the House of Parliament and of the members and committees thereof. Article 106 Salaries and allowance of members. Legislative procedure. Article 107 Provision as to introduction and passing of bill. Article 108 Joint sitting of both House in certain cases. Article 109 Special procedure in respect of money bills. Article 110 Definition of money bills. Article 111 Assent to bills. Procedure in financial matters. Article 112 Annual financial statement. Article 113 Procedure in Parliament with respect to estimate. Article 114 Appropriation Bill. Article 115 Supplementary, additional or excess grants. Article 116 Votes and account, votes of credit and exceptional grant. Article 117 Special provision as to financial bill. Procedure generally. Article 118 Rules of procedure. Article 119 Regulation by law of procedure in Parliament in relation to financial business. Article 120 Language to be used in Parliament. Article 121 Restriction on discussion in Parliament. Article 122 Courts not to inquire into proceeding of Parliament. Chapter 3 Legislative power of the President. Article 123 Power of President to promulgate ordinance during recess of Parliament. Chapter 4 The Union and Judiciary. Article 124 Establishment and the Constitution of Supreme Court. Article 124A National Judicial Appointment Commission NJAC. Article 124B Function of Commission. Article 124C पावर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट टू मेक लॉ, आर्टिकल 125 सैलरीज इटीजी ऑफ जज, आर्टिकल 126 अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ एक्टिंग चीफ जस्टिस, आर्टिकल 127 अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ एड हॉक जज, आर्टिकल 128 अटेंडेंस ऑफ रिटायर्ड जज एट सिटिंग ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट, आर्टिकल 129 सुप्रीम कोर्ट टू बी कोर्ट ऑफ रिकॉर्ड, आर्टिकल 130 सीट ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट, आर्टिकल 131 ओरिजिनल जुडिकेशन ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट, आर्टिकल 131A omitted, आर्टिकल 132 appellate judication of Supreme Court in appeals from High Court in certain cases, article 133 appellate judication of Supreme Court in appeal from High Court in regard to civil matter, article 134 appellate judication of Supreme Court in regard to criminal matters, article 134A certificate for appeal to the Supreme Court, article 135 judication and power of the federal court under existing law to be execrable by the Supreme Court, article 136 special leave to appeal by the Supreme Court, article 137 review of judgment or order by the Supreme Court, article 138 enlargement of the judication of the Supreme Court, article 139 confirm of the Supreme Court of power to issue certain writs, article 139A transfer of certain cases, 140 ancillary powers of Supreme Court, article 141 law declared by Supreme Court to be binding on all courts, article 142 enforcement declares and orders of Supreme Court and orders as to discovery etc, article 143 power of President to consult Supreme Court, article 144 civil and judicial authorities to act aid to the Supreme Court, article 144A omitted, article 145 rules of court, article 146 officer and servant and expenses of the Supreme Court, article 147 interpretation। तो आगे मैं इस वीडियो को पार्ट 2 डालूंगा। तो ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, ओके।